Modern AI presents as a pristine surface. We type a prompt, and a server room somewhere, humming with clean code, returns an immediate answer. Behind that code, the foundational models for OpenAI were built on what is effectively a digital plantation. In 2023, Kenyan workers were paid $1.32 per hour to train these systems. These trauma janitors were required to manually view and filter out extreme violence, torture, and unaliving to make the chatbot safe for Western suburbs. The AI industry is currently reliant on extracting cheap, marginalized human trauma to manufacture automated luxury. This global supply chain model is known as digital sharecropping. The extractive model has shifted toward Black America to secure its next phase of inputs. These underlying economics suggest that users are being integrated into the same supply chain as the laborers in Kenya. The industry is moving from physical labor exploitation to the liquidation of intellectual roles inside the corporate office. This projection of the 2026 Anthropic Index identifies an impending de-skilling shock, where human skill requirements drop off sharply. Side by side with surging AI adoption, administrative and office job volumes are already decreasing as companies automate core functions. Corporate data tracks an active, measurable liquidation of the modern middle class. These losses are concentrated in gateway jobs, the roles that historically transition working-class families into the middle class. This demographic matrix shows that Black workers heavily over-index in the sectors most vulnerable to automation: transportation, retail, and customer service. Black women are especially vulnerable here, as they are vastly overrepresented in the specific administrative and office roles AI is currently liquidating. Automating these specific roles out of existence threatens to sever a primary economic artery of Black upward mobility. These AI engines are useless without constant, high-quality human inputs, which creates a point of leverage. One tactical response is to starve the machine. This requires refusing low-paid data evaluator or safety roles at companies like Scale AI or Sama. Demand stock options or residual rights for this labor. If the company refuses, withhold the input entirely. Most internet users are currently training multi-billion-dollar models for free through their daily interactions. This diagram illustrates the function of data unions like Vana or Streamer. By pooling information together, users can license it back to tech companies for recurring royalties. This flips the digital sharecropping model, forcing massive tech conglomerates to pay for the inputs they previously extracted for free. Withholding labor is a defensive step, but long-term security requires outright ownership of the technology. Owning the engine means moving capital into tech-heavy ETFs, such as Vanguard Tech, which holds Microsoft and Apple, or SMH VanEck for exposure to NVIDIA. The AI shift presents a choice for the Black community: remain as exploited inputs for the machine, or seize the boardroom as shareholders.